Father's Day. Father's Day is a day of honoring fatherhood and parental bonds as well as influence of fathers in the society. Why we celebrate Father's Day? Father's Day celebrates and honors the men who have embraced the essential role of fatherhood. On this day, we also thank fathers and father figures for the sacrifices they make, for embracing the responsibility of nurturing and raising children, and for devotion to their family. When is Father's Day celebrated? Father's Day is celebrated annually on the third Sunday of June in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, India, and a number of other countries around the world. Many countries celebrate this holiday at other times of the year. In Australia, for example, Father's Day is held on the first Sunday of September. In Norway, Sweden, and Finland on the second Sunday of November, and in some Catholic countries on March 19th. Who invented Father's Day? The first known Father's Day service occurred in Fairmont, West Virginia on July 5, 1908, after hundreds of men died in the worst mining accident in US history. The Sunday service happened because of the efforts of Grace Golden Clayton, the daughter of a dedicated reverend. While missing her own dad, who had died in 1896, Mrs. Clayton wanted to honor the many fathers who had died in the mining explosion, which killed more than 360 men and boys and left about 1,000 children fatherless. Although the Fairmont service was first known to honor fathers, it did not turn into an annual event, nor was the idea promoted. How Father's Day gained momentum. The credit to popularize Father's Day goes to Mrs. Sonoro Smart Dodd. Once, she sat listening to a Mother's Day sermon in 1909. She thought that it might be nice to honor fathers as well. Her father, William Smart, had raised his 6 children alone on his farm in Washington after his wife died giving birth. Mrs. Dodd proposed to the Spokane Ministerial Association and the YMCA that they celebrate Father's Day. She chose 5th of June because it was her father's birthday. The idea received strong support, but the good ministers of Spokane asked that the day be changed to give them extra time to prepare sermons on the unexplored subject of fathers. The first Father's Day in Spokane, Washington was observed on June 19, 1910, the third Sunday of June, and became an annual event there. Soon other towns had their own celebrations. From local celebration, how it becomes a national holiday. In spite of widespread support, Father's Day did not become a permanent national holiday for many years. The first bill was introduced in Congress in 1913, but in spite of encouragement by President Woodrow Wilson, it did not pass. In 1966, Lyndon Johnson issued a proclamation designating the third Sunday in June to honor fathers. Finally, in 1972, President Richard Nixon signed a law declaring that Father's Day be celebrated annually on the third Sunday in June. It has been an official permanent national holiday ever since. How to celebrate Father's Day? Since Father's Day is a comparatively modern holiday, different families celebrate it in different ways. Traditionally, cards and masculine gifts can be given out. You can also hold a large party to honor all the father figures in your extended family. If your father is still alive, wish him a happy Father's Day by spending the holiday together doing some of his favorite activities.